Another thing that really disturbs me about how other people ride, all right? So you're rolling on the throttle hard, you get off the gas, fingers on, and then you start pressing in to lean into your corner, okay? Not like this, and then you shut off, and then you hard brake. Oy, oy, oy. That's like a ricochet effect. It's like a spring. Imagine you take a spring and you throw it on the floor. It's going to bounce off the floor and spring right up. Let me show you an example with the ball over here. So obviously everybody knows how a ball looks. So this is a ball. So imagine just grabbing onto your brakes. That's what's going to happen. Your tire is going to spring right back up. As opposed to when you apply steady force, like that, and then you see that contact pad, that's what you're looking for. It's going to spread. And that spreading is what's going to save your life. As opposed to just grabbing onto your front brakes and then you... There we go. As opposed to grabbing onto your front brakes, and this is what's going to happen. See? It's going to spring right back at you. And that spring back, bro, yeah, let's just say there's going to be a whole lot of slow singing and flower bringing.